Today's video about multiple choice questions. MCQ Objectives of Marketing Management, Department of Agriculture Business Management. So next objective is objective number 17. Getting immediate feedback and having knowledge of customers' needs are advantages of which promotion mix ingredients. Options are advertising, sales promotion, publicity and personal selling. So the correct answer is personal selling. Always keep in mind, getting immediate feedback and having knowledge of customer needs are advantages of which promotion mix ingredients, that is personal selling. Next objective, market segmentation is required for. So options are preferential marketing, identifying prospects, OTC marketing and internet marketing. So the correct answer is identifying prospects. Market segmentation is required for identifying prospects. Next objective is cross-selling means selling by a cross section of people, selling same product to existing customers and selling other products to existing customers, and last option is selling to NRIs. So the correct answer is selling other products to existing customer. So always keep in mind, cross selling means selling other products to existing customers. Next objective is advertising is necessary for. Options are only old product, only costly products, launching new products, and last one is only obsolete products. So the correct answer is launching new products. So always keep in mind, advertising is necessary for launching new products. Next objective is publicity is required for. Options are generating more number of leads, market training of salesperson, market survey, product designing. Answer is generating more number of leads. Publicity is required for generating more number of leads. Next objective, marketing channel means. So options are delivery period, delivery person, delivery time and delivery outlets. So answer is delivery outlets. So keep in mind, marketing channel means delivery outlets. Next objective, one of the following is not included on the 7 P's of marketing. So options are placement, price, production, promotion and product. So the answer is production. So always keep in mind, one of the following is not included on the 7 P's of marketing, that is production. Next objective, analysis of marketing problems help in. Options are evaluating marketing opportunities, reducing marketing staff, reducing profits and motivation. Answer is evaluating marketing opportunities. Always keep in mind, analysis of marketing problems help in evaluating marketing opportunities. Next objectives, service marketing is same as. Options are internet marketing, relationship marketing, telemarketing and internet marketing. So the answer is relationship marketing. Service marketing is same as relationship marketing. Next objectives, objective number 26. Innovation in marketing is same as. Options are motivation, teamwork, aspiration and creativity. So the answer is creativity. Innovation in marketing is same as creativity. Next objectives, selling concept believes in. Options are buying inertia, customer needs, satisfying customers, and product quality. So the answer is buying inertia. Always keep in mind, selling concept believes in buying inertia. Next objectives are market segmentation means options are reducing the market share, dividing total market into smaller group, targeting a mass market, and none of the above. Answer is dividing total market into smaller group. So always keep in mind, market segmentation means dividing total market into smaller group. Next objective is positioning is done. Options are in a mind of customer, in a seller mind, in the marketplace, and in the marketer's mind. So the answer is in the mind of customer. Always keep in mind, positioning is done in the mind of customers. Next objective are market segmentation involve dividing market into subgroup, dividing customers into segments, dividing products into subgroup, and all of the above. So answer is dividing market into subgroups. So always keep in mind, market segmentation involve dividing market into subgroup. Next objective number 31, tractor and fertilizer sold in rural area is examples for. And options are demographic segmentation, behavioral segmentation, geographic segmentation, and all of the above. So the answer is geographic segmentation. Tractor and fertilizer sold in rural area is examples for geographic segmentation. Next objectives are physiographic segmentation is based on social class, personality, lifestyle, and all of the above. So the answer is all of the above. Next objective number 33, the benefit of segmentation does not consist of to find out the segment which are less satisfied, help divide in market and conquer them. Next, make marketing efforts more efficient and economics, and last one is none of them. So the answer is none of them. Next objective number 34, niche marketing is going for a large share of on market, cut short product to suit the taste of specific individual, go for whole market, go for different market, and offer according to that. So the answer is going for a large share of one market. Next objective is companies decide to operate in several market segments and design separate offer to each segment. Options are local and individual market, mass marketing, differentiated marketing, and none of them. So the answer is differentiated marketing. Next objectives are objective number 36, core benefit means options are basic product, potential product, core level product, and last one none of the above. So answer is core level product. So core benefit means core level product. Convenience products examples of options are soap, sweets, bread, watches, shoes, television, clothes, life insurance. So the answer is soap, sweets, and breads. Convenience products examples are soap, sweets, and breads. Next objective is objective number 38, unsought products. So the options are products that the consumer does not know but normally does not think of buying. Option number B, less frequently purchased products that customer compare carefully. Option C, consumer products with unique features. Option D, none of these. So the answer is products that the consumer does not know or know but normally does not think of buying. Next objective, objective number 39. Which of the following is not a stage in the new product development? So the options are generation of idea, screening, market segmentation. Next objective is objective number 40. Marketing is a human activity directed at satisfying needs and wants throughout exchange process. Who said? Option are Philip Kotler, D.S. Fowler, Peter F. Drucker, Hansi L.V. None of these. So the answer is Philip Kotler. So always keep in mind, marketing is a human activity directed at satisfying needs and wants throughout exchange process. Who said? That is Philip Kotler. Next objective, objective number 41. Which is are the first piece of marketing mix as per MC Cartier? Number 1 is options are product, price, promotion, place, none of these, and options answer is product. Next objectives are who developed the 4 P's of marketing. So options are Peter F. Drucker, Hanson, MC Carthy, J.R. Betty, and all of these. So the answer is MC Carthy. Next objectives are the marketing mix include option A, the marketing efforts include both the level of the investments or efforts in a specific mix elements and any awareness of their effectiveness. And option B, the marketing allocations is the deployment of the firm resources between products and markets, even internet investments against external. Option C are the marketing response is how the market will react to all or particular actions. And option D, marketing procedures are the methods by which decisions are made and implemented. So the option E is all of these. So the answer is all of these. Next objective, objective number 44. List a piece of marketing and list second elements. List first piece of marketing are options are product, price, promotion, place, and list second elements. Options are warranty, credit, facility, personal selling, and factory location. So the answer is A. Next objective, objective number 45. List first piece of marketing and list second elements. List first piece of marketing are options are product, price, promotion, place, and list second elements of options are packaging, discount policy, display, and outlet. So the answer is option number A. Next objective is objective number 46. A brand is a options are quality, product cost, product plan, product or service name, and all of these. So the answer is product or service name. So always keep in mind, a brand is a product or service name. Next objectives are objective number 47. A brand include and options are symbol or number or words, design, combination of name and symbol, and D all of these, and last option is none of these. So the answer is all of these. So always keep in mind, brand includes symbol or number or words, design, combination of name and symbol. Next objectives are objective number 48. A brand is a name term, symbol, design, or combination of these which identifies the goods or services of one seller or group of seller and differentiate them from those of. Options are other products or services, other sellers, other market, other marketing, and last option is all of these. So the answer is other sellers. Next question, next objective, object number 49. Any paid for of non-personal presentation and promotion of ideas, goods or services by an identified sponsor is called as. So the option is advertising, sales planning, market research, market communication, and none of these. So the answer is advertising. Any paid form of non-personal presentation and promotion of ideas, goods or services by an identifiable sponsor is called as advertising. So the next question is, next objective, object number 50, which is the task of advertising. So the options are providing information about the product, image building, behavior, reinforcements, action, and all of these. So the answer is all of these. So always keep in mind which is the task of advertising, that is all of these. Next objective, which of the following factor affects to the planning of marketing program? So options are demand variable, marketing mix, marketing strategy, all of these, and last one is none of these. So the answer is all of these. Which of the following factor affects to the planning of marketing program? That is demand variable, marketing mix, and marketing strategy. Next objective, which of the following steps are covered under the process of marketing program? Number one is setting objectives. Next options are selection of marketing, development the marketing mix, physical resources, human resources, and mobilization of resources. That is, the answers are option number D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Next objectives are, which of the following step is not included under the steps of marketing programming process? Options are setting objectives, selections of market target, developing the marketing mix, market response, and last option is all of these. So the answer is market response. Which of the following step is not included under the step of marketing programming process? That is market response. Next one is marketing planning consists. Options are setting objectives, marketing programs, determination of the policies, all of these and none of these. So the answer is all of these. So always keep in mind, marketing planning consists setting objectives, marketing programs, determination of the policies. Next objectives are, which of the following point is responsible for effective marketing segmentation? Options are sustainability, ease and accessibility, measurability, and all of these, and last one is none of these. So the answer is sustainability, ease and accessibility, and measurability. Next objectives, the choice of marketing mix depends upon. Options are the marketing environment of the organization. Options B, marketing objectives. Option C, marketing organization structure and information system, and option D, all of these, and last option is none of these. So the answer is all of these. Always keep in mind, the choice of marketing mix depends upon the marketing environment of the organization, marketing objectives, marketing organization structure and information system. Next objective, object number 57, management must think of itself not as producing products but a providing customer creating value. Options are forecasting, satisfactions, disapproval, demand, and all of these. So the answer is satisfaction. Next objective is object number 58. List first basis for market segmentation and list second examples. List first basis for market segmentation, and options are geographic, demographic, socio-economic, and psychographic. And list second examples are regions, age, income level, and compulsive illnesses. The answer is option A, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Next objectives are the process of commercialization involves the options are deciding product characteristics and package, building up a appropriate marketing mix, introducing products in the market, all of these, and last one is none of these. So the answer is all of these. So always keep in mind the process of commercialization involves the deciding product characteristics and package, building up a appropriate marketing mix, and introducing products in the market. Next objectives are promotion mix is the particular combination of promotional tools used by a company to dash with its audiences. Options are communicate, plan, purchasing, decision, help, and all of these. So the answer is communicate. So always keep in mind promotion mix is the particular combination of promotional tools used by a company to communicate with its audiences. Next questions are pricing objective consist scheme the cream, targeted rate of the return, price stabilization, all of these, and none of these. So the answer is all of these. So always keep in mind pricing objective consist scheme the cream, target rate of the return, and price stabilization. Next objectives are pricing objectives is combination of profit maximization, cash recovery, products line promotion, all of these, and last option is none of these. So the answer is all of these. Always keep in mind pricing objectives is combination of profit maximization, cash recovery, product line promotion. Next objective, price policies provide the guidelines within which pricing strategy is formulated and implemented. Who said it? Candy Pen Steel, Philip Kotler, Scoopy, all of these, and last option is one of these. So the answer is Candy Pen Steel. Next objective, objective number 69, which of the following cost may be used for pricing decision? So the options are fixed cost, variable cost, average cost, all of these, and none of these. So the answer is all of these. Which of the following cost may be used for pricing decision? That is fixed cost, variable cost, and average cost. Next objectives are which one of the formula may be used for setting prices under cost plus pricing method? So the options are selling price is equal to unit cost plus desired unit profit. Option B, selling price is equal to unit total cost plus profit. Option C, selling price is equal to unit total cost plus selling expenses. Option D, none of these and all of these. So the answer is selling price is equal to unit total cost plus desired unit profit. Next objectives are which one of the following is not method of selling prices? Options are cost plus pricing method, marginal cost pricing method, break-even pricing method, and first in first out method. So the answer is first in first out method. Which one of the following is not method of selling prices? That is first in first out method. Next objective, which is the type of discount policy? Options are cash discount policy, trade discount policy, quantity discount policy, all of these and none of these. So the answer is all of these. which is the type of discount policy, that is cash discount policy, trade discount policy and quantity discount policy. Next objective, channels of distribution is known as, options are trade channel, path channel, proper channel, none of these and all of these. That is, answer is trade channel. Next objective, which of the following are the functions of distribution channel? Options are fixed pricing, reutilization of the decisions, promotional activities, all of these and none of these. So the answer is all of these. Which of the following are the functions of distribution channels are fixed pricing, reutilization of the decisions and promotional activities. Next objective, which of the following is not a function of distribution channel? Options are managing finances, ordering communications, minimizing total transitions, none of these. So the answer is none of these. Next question, next objectives, which of the following factor affects to the choice of channels of distribution? So the options are size of manufacturing, desire to control the channel, perishability of product, weight of products, all of these. So the answer is all of these. Next objective, which of the following decisions areas include in management of physical distribution? Options are size of inventory, warehousing, transportation, material handling and all of these. So the answer is all of these. So always keep in mind which of the following decisions areas include in management of physical distribution, that is size of inventory, warehousing, transportation, material handling. Next objective is marketing management is the process of product planning, promotion and along with the services to generate transaction that satisfy the organization and users objectives. So the options are distributions of or place, rewards, goals, none of these and last option is all of these. So the answer is distribution or place. Next objective, which is are the basic components of successfully pricing strategy? So the options are cost, current or future, price sensitivity, competition, all of these and none of these. So the answer is all of these, which are the basis components of successfully pricing strategy, that is cost, current or future, price sensitivity and competition. Next objectives, marketing segmentation should be followed by the targeting and product positioning activities for effective planning and implementation of the options are marketing plan, business control, marketing process, none of these and last options are all of these. So the answer is marketing plan. Always keep in mind marketing segmentation should be followed by the targeting and product positioning activities for effective planning and implementation of the marketing plan. Next objectives are which is not a part of brand concept. Options are product mix, brand recognition, brand image, brand franchisee and brand experience. So the answer is product mix. Always keep in mind which is not a part of brand concept, that is product mix. Next objective is a brand is, options are a cost of product, a collection of image and ideas representing an economic producer. C options are a market, all of these and last option is none of these. So the correct answer is a collection of image and ideas representing an economic producer. Next objectives, increasing complexities of life and products have contributed much to growth of service marketing. True or false? So the correct answer is true. Services are people intensive as compared to product. So options are true and false. So correct answer is true. So always keep in mind services are people intensive as compared to product. That is true. In pricing of service, which factor plays important role? Options are feasibility, intangibility, people intensive, and all of the above. So the answer is all of the above. Next objective, clean rooms in a hostel is examples of. So the options are process, physical evidence, product, and people. So the answer is physical evidence. Clean room in a hostel is examples of physical evidence. Next objective, this system by which the customer receive delivery of the service constitutes the process. And the options are promotion, physical evidence, process, and last one is all of the above. So the answer is process. Next objective is ownership is completely changes in case of service. Options are true and false. So the correct answer is false. Next objectives, a basic low price is charged but the extra services are priced rather high. So the options are loss leader pricing, offset pricing, discount pricing, and none of these. So the answer is offset pricing. Always keep in mind a basic low price is charged but the extra services are priced rather high. That is offset pricing. Which is the main reasons for customer switching of service provided? Options are ethical problem, core services failure, pricing, and all of the above. So the answer is all of the above. So always keep in mind which is the main reasons for customer switching of service provided. That is ethical problem, pricing, core services failure. Next one is next objective, holistic marketing in whole. So the options are external marketing, internal marketing, interactive marketing, and last one is all of the above. So the answer is all of the above. Next objective, at the generic level, this service concept refer to the basic services which is being offered. Options are true and false. So correct answer is true. Next objective, global marketing reviews the company to practices. Options are adapt product promotion, B customize localization, C global localization, and last one all of these. So the correct answer is all of these. Next objective are ethnocentric beliefs. Options are foreign products are better, home country products are superior, global markets are superior, and none of these. So the correct answer is home country products are superior. Next objective, driving forces affect global marketing by. So the options are trade control, adopting technology, improving transport, and last one is B and C together. So the correct answer is B and C together. Always keep in mind driving forces affects global marketing by adopting technology and improving transport. Next objective is global market entry can be thought. Options are licensing, joint venturing, counter trade, and last one all of these. So the correct answer is all of these. Next objective, contract manufacturing in all. Options are franchising, business process outsourcing, joint venture, and none of these. So the correct answer is business process outsourcing. So always keep in mind, contract manufacturing involve business process outsourcing.